Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to customize who can see your Facebook story. Whether you want to share your story with only a select group of friends or keep it private from certain people, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the app. Tap on them to access the menu. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down options. Now, under the Audience and Visibility section, locate and tap on Stories. This is where you'll find all the settings related to who can view your stories. Once inside the Stories settings, tap on Who can see your stories. Here, you'll see several options like Public, Friends, or Custom. To customize your audience, select Custom. In the Custom settings, you can choose specific friends who will be able to view your story. Simply scroll through your friends list and tap on their names to include them. Once you've made your selections, tap Done. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that only the selected friends will be able to see your future stories. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Facebook story privacy settings. Now you can share your moments with exactly who you want. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Facebook experience.